but it is possible rain could ruin the show. Meteorologist Steve Norris is in with a first look at Ultimate Doppler 9 HD. Steve?
Well, Jay, to look at the radar right now, it does appear that the fireworks will get them in, although there could be a delay. It just depends on what develops between now and, say, 8 o'clock or so tonight. Not much out there off to our west and southwest, although we are watching some fairly heavy rain, a strong thunderstorm. In fact, it has become severe. Severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Adams County until 6:45, although the severe part of this particular cell has now moved over into Scioto County. But nonetheless, we are seeing some heavy rain in this area. It's moving from the southwest to the northeast. So Robertson County, Mason County, Bracken, Adams, all seeing that very heavy rainfall. We had heavy rain overnight and early this morning. In fact, I want to show you some lightning from a 9 newsbreaker from Bellevue. How about this? That's some amazing video. We had power outs and transformers struck by that lightning, and it was a rough morning. Certainly loud out there. I know I was awakened from a deep sleep from the thunder. Here's a wide view of the radar, and boy, it is busy. We have Tropical Storm Lee to the south, so very heavy rain, now streaming as far north as central Tennessee. And then, of course, we have rain in our area, courtesy of a cold front that moved through earlier today. I'm going to be watching this area here off to the west and southwest for any development over the next 2 or 3 hours, which would impact that fireworks show tonight around 9:05. So we'll call it periods of showers and thunderstorms tonight, even overnight, and we'll drop down to right around 60 degrees. When I come back, I'll have your forecast for Labor Day. Wait until you see the temperatures. A big shock to the system. Jay will have it in a couple of minutes. We are seeing a very, very busy Ultimate Doppler 9 HD radar network there. Some rain from Lee headed our way for the work week forecast. I'll have it for you just ahead. That lightning was tremendous.
Really?
Wow.
Yeah, I saw a lot of it last night where I am, Columbia, Tuscaloosa. So, yeah.
Well, we are looking at maybe a couple showers out there, but the radar's looking pretty decent as far as the Riverfest fireworks are concerned.
Good,
Looks like most of the heavy rain, the widespread rain, now beginning to move off to our east and southeast. So wouldn't completely rule out a few showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm, but things are looking up for the big fireworks display at 9:05 tonight on the banks of the Ohio River. There's Ultimate Doppler 9 HD, the Tri-State's most powerful Doppler radar, and it is picking up indeed some rain and even some heavier pockets of rain over portions of northern Kentucky, Bracken County, especially for you folks there in Mason County, and then on up into Adams County, north of the Ohio River. But as we look back to the west, things are looking better, although a little line here of some showers trying to form, so I'll watch that as we head through the next bit. Talk about temperatures today, well, much different than yesterday. We had that record high of 100 degrees in the tri-state. We topped the century mark yesterday, and well, today temperatures kind of hanging out in the 70s. Right now it's 74 degrees, and we picked up 1/3 of an inch of rainfall in the downtown area. How about you folks there in Hamilton? Well, a little over a 1/2 inch of rainfall. Right now 73 degrees and cloudy skies there. Lots of cloud cover for you folks in Edgewood, 75, and you picked up just under 2/10 of an inch of rain. Check out the almanac, a high of 77. That is 5 degrees shy of the normal high of 82. We picked up just under a 1/2 inch of rainfall there at the International Airport, where we now stand at 74 degrees. The dew point, it's up there, so it is muggy out there. Winds are calm, the pressure holding steady, and the river is in good shape. I know a lot of boats down on the Ohio River kind of jockeying for the best position to see those fireworks tonight. Of course, tomorrow is the big day. It is Labor Day, and we are looking at a big shock to the system. I talked a little bit about it just in terms of today, but tomorrow we will struggle to even see 70 for the high. So 100 degrees on Saturday, 70 if we're lucky for the high on Monday. And then later in the week, we're talking about probably Tuesday night into Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It looks like Tropical Storm Lee will now indeed pay a visit to the tri-state. So several periods of showers starting Tuesday night and then lingering into a big chunk of the week. Here's the forecast map right now. Had a cold front that moved through earlier today, and on the backside, still seeing a couple of showers and even some thunderstorms out there. And notice that moisture from Lee beginning to stream up from the south. It looks like most of the initial batch of moisture will miss us off to the south and east. I'm going to keep a lingering shower to tomorrow morning, but other than that, it looks like we'll see a dry period until later on, and you'll see that area of low pressure, the actual center of the low as far as Lee is concerned, and it's going to move right over the tri-state as we get into the day on Wednesday. Here it comes up from the south, taking its time, and it will move right over our area. Again, there's the time, right around 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon Wednesday. It will be right on top of us. So look at the satellite map right now. Check it out. Plenty of cloud cover, no sun expected this afternoon or this evening. We're watching Hurricane Katia, now a very strong Category 2 hurricane, expected to be a major Category 3 hurricane later tonight or tomorrow. You can see that eye wall developed. It's going to get very close to the east coast of the U.S. before maybe veering off to the north and away from us. Very busy Ultimate Doppler 9 radar network. You can see all the moisture associated with Lee off to the south. For us, though, it is moisture associated with that cold front that moved through earlier today. And we're going to be watching this area here for the next couple of hours to see if anything develops and would impact the fireworks show tonight at Riverfest. Periods of showers and thunderstorms. 60 for the low. Tomorrow then, Labor Day, maybe a leftover shower in the morning. Otherwise, variably cloudy, breezy, and cool with that high of 70 degrees. And John, look how chilly it will be, relatively speaking, for much of the week. Lee remnants, rain showers for much of the week starting Tuesday night.